welcome to Lingua Latina Tutorials with Mr. K. This is Chapter 41, Lesson 2, Exercises. Here we have vocab. Ascanius, blank, a word that means genuit, cilium, qui ita nominatus est quia, blank, which equals forte, in ciluis natus erat. So Ascanius, we won't have begat Silvius. The other word that means genuit was procreavit. We want the perfect tense to match genuit here. Gave birth to Silvius, who was named in that way, qui ita nominatus est, who was thus named, because by chance, forte, which we learned was casu, he had been born in the woods. Omnibus regibus Albani Silvius cognomen erat, ut Romulo Silvio, qui post Agrippam Silvium regnum blank est, and it means non amisit. So to all of the Alban kings, Silvius was the cognomen. Here we have the dative of possession. Like to Romulus Silvius, who, after Agrippa Silvius, obtained the kingdom, after Agrippa Silvius. So we want the word that doesn't mean lost, amisit, and we learned that that was adepisci, and when we are in the perfect tense here, with that deponent verb, it's adeptus. Adeptus est. Romulus Silvius, fulmine blank, which means percussus, or struck, Aventino regnum blank, which means reliquit, left behind. So Romulus Silvius, struck by lightning, and we will learn that the word for percussus is ictus. Struck by lightning, left behind the kingdom to Aventinus. And left behind, we learned in the sense of like to bequeath, legavit. Okay, try the rest of those, and let's go on to exercise 5. Practice with the perfect participle. Concerning the perfect participle, and here you're going to see why sometimes it appears passive when it's with a regular verb, and then other times when it seems active, it is from a deponent verb. So look at this line. So we have Dido, who says, I received you from a yikara, to throw, tossed out onto my shore. And so we want the accusative participle, perfect participle from a yikara, yikio a yikara, a yeki a yectum. So we want a yectum. I received you tossed out, because it goes with you. I received you tossed out onto my shore. I restored your lost fleet, amitara, from to lose. So you need to know all the parts from amitara, amito, amitara, amisi, amisum. And amisum we want to match with klasem, which is feminine. So amisam. I restored your lost fleet. And then from loqui, we want to show, having spoken these things, she stopped. She interrupted her conversation, her speech. So having spoken, okay, here's where you get the active sense of a participle. From loquor, which is deponent, I speak, loqui, to speak. So locutus aum means having spoken, not having been spoken to. And we need the feminine form because it's referring to Dido, so we need locuta. Having spoken these things, she ended her speech. Okay, let's look at exercise 6. Question and answer. Cur regibus Albanis cognomen fuit Silvius? Why was the cognomen of the Alban king Silvius? Well, it's because quia casu, by chance, filius Ascanii natus erat in Silvis, because he, the son of Ascanius, had been born, natus erat, in the woods, in Silvis. That cognomen was given to them because the son of Ascanius, by chance, had been born in the woods.